We'll guide you through how to fix incoming calls not coming in and outgoing calls not going out. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can go and be annoying because then you can go and miss calls, but it also means you can't make them as well. So we've got some different fixes you can try. To get started, let's go and drag down from the top and go and look. Make sure you've got some mobile service. Without it, you can't go and make or receive calls. If you don't have any, then try moving location. Of course, make sure you've got a SIM in as well. And also, if you've currently got airplane mode enabled, which is the airplane icon, you want to go make sure it's turned off. If you currently have it turned off, try turning it on like I did there. Wait a few seconds to turn it back off just to go and refresh it. Next, you want to come into the phone app like so. On keypad, go to the top right and press the three dots and press settings. Go down and find Wi-Fi calling. If it's currently turned off, you can try turning it on. And if it's currently turned on, try turning it off. Go and see if that solves it. Scroll down to supplementary services and you want to locate call barring. If any of these are currently turned on, turn them off as that'll go out and stop calls. Next, come out of the phone app and we're going to swipe up. You need to go and find the settings app and go and open it up. And you want to go and find the option general management. Scroll down and you want to find the option for reset. If you struggle to find it, use the search in the top right. Here you want to try resetting the mobile network settings. Click here and then press it. You need to confirm your decision and then you want to come out of it after doing the reset, tap and hold the side power button and press restart and then restart again. Wait for the process to complete. When it comes back on, go and see if it's now solved. Hopefully it is.